I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder with milk. First, select your preferred protein powder. You can choose from various flavors and types like whey, casein, or plant-based options. Next, pick your milk. Dairy milk, almond milk, or oat milk all work wonderfully. Finally, grab a shaker bottle or a blender to ensure a smooth, delicious drink. Now let's get to mixing. Pour your chosen milk into your shaker bottle or blender first. A good starting point is usually 8 to 12 ounces, depending on your desired consistency. Then, add 1 scoop of your protein powder. Make sure to secure the lid tightly. This prevents any spills and ensures a thorough mix. For a perfectly smooth shake, if you're using a shaker bottle, shake vigorously for about 15 to 30 seconds. If you prefer a blender, blend for 20 to 40 seconds until there are no clumps. For an extra cold and thick shake, you can always add a few ice cubes before blending. This makes it even more refreshing. Finally, feel free to customize your protein shake. You can add a banana or some berries for extra vitamins and a natural sweetness. A spoonful of peanut butter or almond butter can also boost healthy fats and flavor. Enjoy your freshly made protein shake right away for the best taste and consistency. It's a quick and easy way to get your protein.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.